So now we're going to talk about how the voice works, and in order to understand how the voice works and how to use it effectively, you need to have an understanding of exactly what is inside you and how it's working. And you can see these diagrams in most biology books where you explain the principle of breathing, because to breathe properly means that you can use your voice more effectively. And the key muscle that you need to learn about is this one here, and you can see that in both pictures it's called the diaphragm. Okay, and the diaphragm is a tent of muscle that sits just below your last rib cage on your body and is a tent of muscle, and you can see over here where it's nice and relaxed, it bulges up in the middle. And what happens when you breathe in is this tent of muscle, okay, which normally sits like this. If I can just get my pen and get a pen, I can show you. This tent of muscle contracts to become flatter, as you can see in the diagram. So the force of the muscle is pulling down, and that literally pulls the air into your body. Now, to accommodate this, the ribs here, you can see them swing upwards and outwards and expand with the lungs so that you can take in all that air. And you have tiny little pairs of muscles between each rib that help the rib cage swing up and outwards so that it can accommodate all that air. Now, when the diaphragm relaxes, the other set of muscles in the diaphragm push it back up into this up state again, which forces the air out of your lungs and through your windpipe and out through your mouth and through your tongue and your teeth and your lips, which make the sound. And of course, in this area here is where you have obviously your voice box or your larynx, and this determines how and what pitch and what kind of tone you have for your speech.